One of the biggest mission challenges today is that of the call to reach the cities. Many of the world's largest cities are in the least reached parts of the world, where few Adventist members or Christians from any background are living. But even in countries where the church has a strong presence, the large cities have very few Adventist members. In the book Ministry to the Cities, Ellen White wrote, "When the cities are worked as God would have them, the result will be the setting and operation of a mighty movement." No doubt, this is something we would all love to see. So what if you hear God's call to help reach a city, but you don't know where to begin? Ellen White offered this wisdom from the life of Jesus. Christ's method alone will give true success in reaching the people. The Savior mingled with men as one who desired their good. He showed his sympathy for them, ministered to their needs, and won their confidence. Then he bade them, "Follow me." As we set out to reach the cities, the best thing we can do is follow Christ's method. There are many groups of people you could choose to reach out to in your city. You could reach out to new moms or to university students. You could reach out to the homeless or to the wealthy. Perhaps you have a heart to serve your city's most vulnerable residents. If so, here are some ideas of how you could serve in your city. First, you could offer assistance to struggling families with new babies through a clothing lending library, as church members have done in Auckland, New Zealand. Or you could provide furniture to refugees when they arrive in your area. Adventists in Atlanta in the United States have made a big difference for many families in this way. Maybe you want to offer cooking and nutrition classes to children, as is being done in Haifa, Israel. These children will build skills that will help them grow strong and healthy. Or offer homeless people a place to wash their clothes, to shower, and to get a healthy meal. Adventists in Guatemala City, Guatemala are serving in this simple but life-changing way. You could also hold regular activities for people with Alzheimer's or for their caregivers. The church in Taipei, Taiwan, serves its residents in this beautiful way. If you'd like to learn more about these projects or get more ideas for serving the most vulnerable, visit the Mission to the Cities website and click Serve Your City. Find ways you can serve and pray that others will also get involved. Using Christ's method and empowered by His Spirit, we will reach the cities. Then watch out, because as we already know, the result will be the setting in motion of a mighty movement.